Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy A02s and I'm gonna show you how to go through the first setup on this device. We can tap on this arrow right here to continue, but first we can also tap on this phone icon right here at the bottom to call the emergency numbers if needed, and we can tap on this accessibility icon to access the settings for features like screen reader, visibility enhancements, and interaction and dexterity. And if you tap on screen reader right here, you have few options. More in visibility and enhancements, and you can enable these and disable these by tapping the slider. And in interaction and dexterity you have even more options. Okay, let's tap on the arrow to continue. Here we can select the language. To do it, swipe up and down on the screen to scroll through the list and tap on the language you want to use. I'm gonna select English United States, then tap next. Now we can enable the mobile network by tapping the slider and then tap next. Here we need to agree to the terms of use. You can tap on each single one to check it, or just tap on I have read and agree to all of above to select them all and then tap next. Now we can connect to Wi-Fi. You can also skip this step by tapping skip button right here, but I recommend to connect to one, so let's tap on the network, and I need to enter the password, so give me a few seconds. Then tap connect. Once it's connected to Wi-Fi, tap on next. Right here we can copy apps and data from the Google account. You can do it by tapping next and following the instructions on the screen, but I don't want to do it, so I'm gonna tap on don't copy. And here we can log in into a Google account. You can also skip this step by tapping skip button right here, but I recommend to log into one, so let's tap right here, enter the account name, then tap next. Now I need to enter the password, so give me a second. And tap next to continue. Here tap on I agree. Now let's tap next. And here. Right here we can turn on and off some of the Google services by tapping the slider next to them, like that. And once you're done, scroll all the way down and tap on the accept. Here we can select the search provider. I'm gonna select Google and tap next. Right here we can set up a protection for our phone, like fingerprints, fingerprint sensor, pattern, pin and password. But I'm gonna tap on skip to skip this step and tap skip anyway. And right here we can review additional apps. You can check them or uncheck them, depends what you like, by tapping the box next to them, or you can tap this box at the top to uncheck them all or check them all. And once you're done, scroll down and tap on OK. Here we can log in into a Samsung account. You can also create one by tapping on create account right here, but I'm just gonna tap on skip and skip. Then let's tap on finish. Here you can discover new apps if you want to by tapping on continue, but I'm gonna tap on no thanks. And at this point the setup is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.